Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your trusted local roofing expert in Longmont, Colorado. Looking to enhance your home or business with a reliable roof? Look no further. Our team specializes in providing top-quality roofing solutions tailored to Longmont's unique needs. Whether residential or commercial, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Here, we offer a free estimate and evaluation for your peace of mind. Need assistance with a weather damage claim? Let us handle the process for you. We're committed to making your roofing experience hassle-free and seamless. Our experienced team will assess and address your roofing concerns precisely. Let our roofing experts take the stress out of your roofing project. Join our satisfied customers who rely on us for professional and reliable roofing solutions. Call us today at 970-275-4012 to schedule your free estimate and evaluation. Visit dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company to explore our services further. Your satisfaction is our priority. Trust our roofing professionals for all your roofing needs. Rest assured, with Denny's Roofing, you're in good hands from start to finish. Contact us today, and let's elevate your roof together.